Back when I first joined Future Problem Solvers in 5th grade, I don't think I truly realized how much of an impact this program was to have on my life. Being exposed to global issues from 3D printing to food security to intellectual property, I was challenged to research these topics while simultaneously working with my peers to predict potential problems and solutions. My communication skills were able to completely flourish, all while I was being exposed to topics in science I found myself completely fascinated by. Future Problem Solvers has provided me with the foundation to explore my intellectual interests while providing me with the toolbox of problem-solving skills necessary to pursue a future career in medicine. And if medicine doesn't work out, at least I know FPS skits have given me enough practice to become a fashion designer who tailors dresses only made out of trash bags and duct tape. Above all else, Future Problem Solvers has given me the confidence that myself and my peers have the ability to create a better future. There will always be new problems of tomorrow, but it's up to myself and my peers and the people of today to try and tackle global issues using creative solutions.